Joy jar. Make a fun jar to store your craft supplies. You'll need jar with lid, small toy, glue, paint. Step 1. Glue the small toy to the top of the jar lid. Let the glue dry. Step 2. Paint the toy and lid. Let the paint dry. Step 3. Fill the jar with craft supplies. Happy crafting!